Good morning, students. Class plus 2 Commerce, subject accountancy. Today's topic is comparative statement of profit and loss. This is of this particular topic. This is second video lecture. So today we are going to solve question number 14 from T.S. Garewal book. So open up page number 3.35 and simultaneously I will read the question as well as solve the question. So go through the question. Number 1. What information they have given? Prepare a comparative statement of profit and loss from the information extracted from the statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2017 and 18. So we have to draw what? Comparative statement of profit and loss from statement of P&L. Getting? So title we have already given. Format I have drawn like particulars, note number, figure of previous year 31st March 2017, figure of current year 31st March 18, then column absolute change, then percentage change. Amount of previous year we have assigned alphabet A, current year B, then absolute change will be find out by subtracting from current year amount previous year. Out of current year amount, previous year amount is required to be calculated, subtracted, then we can find out C. Then percentage, it can be expressed in percentage form also. It will be termed as D. How it will be calculated? Absolute change over previous year figure multiplied by 100, yani C over A. So let's start the question. Number 1, here we have to mention number 1 and we will write revenue from operations. Revenue from operations. Firstly, we will draw the format beta. Second one, item name is given other incomes. So here we have mentioned other incomes. By adding 1 and 2, we will find out third, that will be called total revenues. How total revenues will be calculated? By adding what? First with second we can get this amount of total revenue. Fourth item will be termed as expenses. Expenses. Done. Under expenses, in question 1 expense is given, that is employee benefit expense. Employee benefit expense. Done. Then we have to find out number 5th. Profit before tax. Profit before tax. How it will be calculated? Out of total revenue, we have to subtract the amount of expense, yani 3 minus 4. The profit will be available. Then simply we have to subtract number 6 by putting number 6 less tax. So taxation rate is also given. Tax at the rate 40% in both the year. And then we will be having finally profit after tax. ये हमने कैलकुलेट करना है. Let's see what is given in the question amount. So revenue, amount of revenue from operation of previous year, it is given 10 lakh. So here I am going to mention 10 lakh. Current year figure is 15 lakh. Done. Then other incomes are in previous year 50% of revenue from operation. So 10 lakh ka 50% kar lo, it will be 5 lakh. In current year it is mentioned 60%. So calculate 60% of 15 lakh, it will be 9 lakh. How total revenue will be calculated? By adding 1 and 2 to add up these figure. 15 or 9, 24 lakh. 10 or 5, 15 lakh. Then we have to find out the amount of expenses. And under expense only employee benefit expense are given. Its value is in the previous year 30% of total revenue. This is total revenue 15 lakh. Calculate 30% of it. It will be 4 lakh 50,000. And in current year it is mentioned 40% of total revenue. 24 lakh of 40%, it will be 9 lakh 60,000. Then we have to find out what, इसका यही टोटल लगा लो बेटा, 4,50,000, एक ही आइटम है तो 9,60,000. Then we have to find out profit before tax by subtracting. Out of total revenue we have to subtract the amount of expense. 15 lakh जो minus करो 450, it will be 10,50,000. Now out of 24 we have to subtract 9 lakh. So it will be 15 minus 60, so 14,40,000. Then we have to charge income tax on it. To calculate 40% of 10,50,000, 10,50,000, 40% beta, it will amounts to 4,20,000. Subtract it and we will get profit after tax 6,30,000. Here again we have to find out 40% of 14,40,000. 14,40,000, 40%. It will be 5,76,000. Minus करो and remaining amount we will be having, it will be 8,64,000. Now we have to complete. This is structure we have prepared. Now we calculate these two columns. So let's start. 10, first of all difference B minus A 5 lakh, 9 minus 5 4 lakh. Then in total out of 24 we have to subtract 15 lakh, it will be 9 lakh. Then from 960 we have to subtract 4,50,000, so it will be 5,10,000. Again 5,10,000. Now subtract out of 14,40,000. What we have to subtract? 10,50,000, so it will be 3,90,000. 576 we have to subtract out of it 420, so it will be 1,56,000. And in last, out of 864 we have to subtract 630, so it will be 2,34,000. ये हमारे क्वेश्चन के 3 पार्ट कंप्लीट हो गए बेटा. अब हमने चलना है परसेंटेज चेंज. 5/10 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100, 50%. गेटिंग बेटा. देन 4/5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 करेंगे तो 80%. 9/15 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 करेंगे तो बेटा 60%. देन 5,10,000 over 4,50,000 percentage, it will be 113.33%. Again 113.33%. Then 3,90,000 over 10,50,000. 3,90,000 over 1,05,000. 10,50,000 multiplied by 100, it will be 37.14%. Then next 156 over 420 multiplied by 100 किया तो 37.14% इसका. Then 234 over 630 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 करेंगे तो 37.14% इसका. तो दैट्स ऑल. अब इसके बेस पे यू कैन सॉल्व द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन. तो आज के लिए बेटा इतना ही. बाय बच्चों.